After a hard day at work, you may want to kick back and relax with a frozen margarita. But today, Howard has a great way to have your margarita and eat it too in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If you've been on a cruise or to a tropical resort, then you've probably had your fair share of frozen margaritas. There's something about the combination of this frosty drink featuring the tangy lime and the salted rim that puts us in vacation mode.
Thank you.
Well, today we're making a strawberry version of this in the form of a pie. We start with the crust, which we make from crushed pretzels mixed with a bit of butter. This gets pressed into a pie plate and chilled until we're ready to fill it. As for the filling, all that is a can of sweetened condensed milk combined with frozen margarita mix concentrate and a few drops of red food coloring. After that's mixed, we add some whipped topping and a cup or so of sliced fresh strawberries. We give this a mix and spoon it into our crust, which is going to give our pie a touch of saltiness, just like a margarita. Then into the freezer it goes. Once it sets up, it's ready to serve. Maybe finish it with a few dollops of whipped cream and more berries. Then it's time to dig in. To get the recipe for this cool and tangy treat, all you have to do is visit our website and look for frozen margarita pie. It's that easy. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tempting tropical way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Tropical?
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.